Hi everyone, good day and welcome to Kuitatag Waray lesson. Today, I'll share a Waray hugot line with its English translation and explanation. Our hugot of the day is Ang karis ko haimo, sugadhin bito on haudto, waray nakikita pero ada gihapon. In English translation, my crush with you is like star at noon, unseen but still there. Ang karis ko means my crush. Haimo means on you. Sugadhin means is like. Bitoon means star. Haudto means at noon. Pero means but. Ada gihapon means still there. Here's an explanation. Waray people often use nature metaphors. Here, bitoon haudto means noon star refers to something invisible but ever present, like hidden feelings. It's a witty way to confess longing without directly admitting it. Typical of Waray humor. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed diving into Waray culture with me. Thank you for watching Kuitatag Waray lesson. Take care and see you next time.